What is up, YouTube? SalvoG here. Welcome back to another reaction video. Today we have a song called Open Up Your Eyes by Tonic. Thank you to Regina for this request over on Patreon. Thanks for the support. Tonic, haven't heard of them. Let's see what they're about and then we'll get into the song. American rock band, formed in 1993. Later members have included Dan Lavery, Kevin Shepard, and Dan Rothschild, but they were formed by Emerson and Jeff. The band released its debut album Lemon Parade in 1996. Lemon Parade. The single If You Could Only See reached number 11 on the Billboard Airplay Hot 100 in 1997, and Lemon Parade itself reached platinum status. Alternative rock and post-grunge. Tonic spent much of the next 2 years touring, adding to its reputation as a relentlessly gigging band. Love to see that. Let's see. So they have 5 total albums spanned out. Let's go to Lemon Parade. Here we go. The album has sold over 1 million copies. Of course, that makes it platinum. 3 singles from this. So this is the big one right here, but the one we are listening to is the opening song. Okay, let's hear it. Here we go. I can already tell it's gonna be a cool video. What? People's voices make hollow sound. Just be quiet. You'll go away. Open up your eyes. Don't let your mind tell the story. Open up your eyes. Just let me go. Super refreshing. It's so safe. It's so safe floating in the glass. While above all your troubles pass. Just be quiet. You'll go away. Okay. Don't let your mind tell the story. feel energy.
Celebrating 50 years of music live.
Is this an ad? Oh, I'm on my second channel. I'm like, I have YouTube Premium. Excuse you. Okay. Anyways, yeah, I'm logged in on my second channel. That was a rash. That's some nice alternative rock right there. You know, this just makes me think of the Sundays. I love that late 90s alternative rock sound. It just has a certain nostalgic feeling to me, because a lot of this type of alternative rock is what I was hearing at the time when I was younger. If I was listening to the radio, this type of sound, it's like stuck with me a little bit. Like all of the other stuff, a lot of the older stuff on the channel, when people are asking me, how haven't you heard this yet? Have you been living under a rock? It was never on the radio, dude. Like, what do you want me to do? But stuff like this particular sound, I heard a lot of this at least. So it just feels so nostalgic to me. So anytime a song from the late 90s in particular, and it has like that alternative rock label to it, it just hits for me personally. Yeah, it has just a nice feel to it. And I got to admit, they kind of turned up at the end right there. Like, the song took it up a notch, and then I really started to feel it. Cool chorus. Why am I on this page? Sorry, I'm a little all over the place right now. A good, cool chorus, exceptionally cool voice as well. I think this is a that's a go for me. That's a green light go for me. Yep. I'm acting a little weird now, so we're gonna sign out. Great choice, Regina. Fun song. Lemon Parade from Tonic. That was just cool. Okay, that was just cool. Thanks for watching, everybody. Catch you in the next one. Peace.